What is a violin plot? A violin plot is a method of plotting numeric data and can be understood as the combination of a box plot and a kernel density plot. It provides a visualization of data distribution. But how do we interpret a violin plot? Kernel density estimation. This is the outer layer of the violin plot and displays the density of the data at different values. The width of the plot at different values indicates the density of the data. A wider section suggests a higher density, more data points, whereas a narrower section indicates lower density, fewer data points. The violin plot is typically symmetrical, meaning it mirrors the density estimation on either side of its axis. Central box plot, which is optional. Inside the violin, there's often a miniature box plot which provides additional details about the data's distribution. The central line in this box plot represents the median of the data, while the edges of the box represent the interquartile range, giving insights into the data spread. Whiskers, like in a box plot, whiskers indicating variability outside the upper and lower quartiles. They can provide a visual cue for identifying outliers. Comparisons. One of the strengths of a violin plot is its ability to display distributions of multiple categories side by side, making it easier to compare distributions across different categories or groups. Let's take a closer look at this example. Let's say we want to analyze patient recovery times in days after a surgery across various age groups. Here are our data with the recovery time and the 3 age groups: young adults, middle-aged, and seniors. Now we can display the data in a violin plot. Let's have a look at young adults. The recovery times range between 4 to 8 days, with a higher concentration around 5 to 6 days. This indicates quicker recovery and is visualized as a broad section in the middle of the violin plot. In the same way, we can interpret the results of middle-aged and seniors. If you like, you can create a violin plot for free online using DATAtab. Just go to datatab.net and copy your own data into this table. Then click on either descriptive or charts. Further, simply select your variables. If you now scroll down, you will be presented with many charts that could be suitable for the data, including the violin plot. But why use a violin plot and not a box plot? The main advantage of a violin plot over a standard box plot is that in addition to showing statistics like the median and the interquartile range, it also provides a visual representation of the distribution and density of the data. This can be particularly useful when you want to understand the shape of the data distribution. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.